Hey, all my viewers and subscribers. I'm happy to announce that I have launched my first course, which is called as Power BI Kickstarter course, which is best for beginners. So, if you are someone who's trying to learn Power BI from scratch, then would be a right course because here in this course, together we are going to create dashboards, and based on that we're going to learn Power BI. So it's going to be interactive and fun. So I will be there for you to help you with any questions, as well as I would be happy to see your first dashboard, and I would review it for you. So without any further ado, go ahead and click on the course link that I have in the description. Also, you can find the coupon code which will give you 100% discount. So, what are you waiting for? There is no excuse for postponing the learning journey that you always plan for Power BI. See you soon in the course.